Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mickey Mouse. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the top of the head. Let's draw a large curve up and bring it down on the right side. Now underneath on both sides, let's step in and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw a large oval for the nose. And then add another oval inside on the top right. Now on top of the nose here, let's add the eyes. We'll start with a curve across. And then on the top left, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same on the right side. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw another oval at the bottom towards the center. And then let's add a circle inside at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the pattern on the head. Let's move up to the top in the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it down on the left side. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the top part of the head. Now we're going to move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a small curve going up. And then underneath, let's draw a long curve across. Now top underneath, and we're going to angle it down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw the tongue. At the bottom on the left, let's draw a curve across. And then another one on top and over. Now top underneath the mouth and let's draw the chin by drawing a curve down and back up. And then we're going to close off the face by hopping out to the sides, and let's continue the line by curving it in, and the same on the right side. And that's it for the main part of the head. Lastly, let's move to the top and draw the ears. Let's start on the left and we're going to draw a large oval up and back in. And let's do the same on the right side. And that's it for Mickey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!